We are currently here in Harborfront and we're gonna set up for Ramnick's birthday party. And we will show you how to set up fast and easy and how to transform the Yatch into a beautiful event space. Come and join us!
This is the situation here in downtown, but still, rain or shine, the event must go on. It's a very heavy rain. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's really raining here. And that is the situation here in downtown Toronto. Here at Harborfront. So my husband, we're gonna set up. Daddy, gonna set up in the boat. Wow, interesting. Gonna set up for Ramnick.
We are working as a team and decorate together with my collab.
So Harborfront, beautiful. Downtown.
So here is the struggle because of it's rainy and we are in a hurry because in 2 hours the event will start soon. So my husband is trying to fix everything about the scratch, so all the damages we need to repair. Now it's time to bring the marquee on the yacht and set it up. Later we will show you what is the outcome of our collabs to transform the Yatch into Dior's theme. So be standby. And because it's a heavy rain, the floor of the Yatch is very slippery and wet, so we need to be careful. At the same time, we need to finish the setup within 2 hours. While we're setting up the marquee, the event planner is doing the other decoration and setting up their balloons. And my husband lighting up the marquee. We are done in our part and we finished setting up the marquee lights of Ramnick. Please see the magic and the transformation of a Dior theme for Yatch party for Ramnick's event.